Hello students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to do the exercise of chapter 3 which we have studied in last two classes. The name of the chapter was Health, Food, Health and Hygiene. We have studied in last two classes about this chapter and today we will start with the exercise. And the first exercise is choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. We have to choose the correct option and write the answer for the given question. Question number 1 is it helps to digest the food. It helps to digest the food. First question is it helps to digest the. It helps to digest the food. And the given options are water. First option is water, soda, and last option is cake. See, if you don't have the book, write into the copy. And if you have bought the book from school, just put the tick mark in the book. Water, soda, and the last option is coke. And we know that water helps in digestion of food. That's why always doctors suggest to drink more and more water, or for being maintaining the proper hygiene, we should drink lot of water. So what will be the answer? It helps to digest the food. Water is the answer for this first question. Question number 2. This keeps the body warm. This keeps the body warm. This keeps the body. This keeps the. Please write along with me if you don't have the book. And if you have the book, stick in there. This keeps the body warm. First option is vitamins. Vitamins. Second option is fat. Fat. And the last option is protein. Protein. These are the nutrients of the food. And we know that these vitamins, fats, and proteins have different functions in our body. And fat provides the warmth, or fat helps to keep the body warm. That's why option B is correct and answer is fat. Put the tick mark in the book or write properly in the copy. Third question is lack of iodine causes this disease. Lack of iodine. Lack of iodine. Lack of iodine causes this disease. Lack of iodine causes this disease. Lack of iodine causes this disease. What is the name of the disease which is caused due to the lack of iodine? It is goiter. And the options given here are first option is anemia. What is that? Anemia. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of a mineral called iron. And next is rickets. Rickets is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. And the last option is goiter, and this is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. So the answer is option C is correct. Goiter is the correct option. or correct answer. Goiter is the correct answer. I will read all the three questions and answers once again. First question, it helps to digest the food, and the answer is water. Second question, this keeps the body warm, and the answer is fat. Third question, lack of iodine causes this disease, and the answer is goiter. Now you pause the video in middle and right, or take the screenshot, and we will move to the next question. Question number 4. I'm giving you time to do it. Take your time, understand the things and write. Question number 4. Now I am going to rub it. Question number 4. Let's see the question. Measles is this type of disease. Measles is this type of disease. Measles is this type of measles is this type of disease. Measles is this type of disease. Measles is this type of disease. And the options given here are: first option is airborne. Second option is food waterborne disease. And the last option is foodborne disease. And what is the correct answer for this question? Measles is which type of disease? Correct answer is airborne disease. Correct answer is airborne disease. First option is correct. Airborne disease. Now, moving to the next question, question number 5. It is essential to restore energy. We know that it's very essential to restore the energy. It's very essential to restore the energy. And what is that term called? We have to write that. What is that term called? We have to write that. It is essential to restore energy. It is essential to restore energy. And the correct option is, three options are given again. First option is dancing. Second option is studying. And the last option is rest. Which is correct answer? Do you remember? Yesterday we have studied about this. And the correct answer is the last option, rest. Correct answer is the last option, rest. Rest is the correct answer for this question. Once again, I will read all this. Fourth question, measles is this type of disease, airborne. Then, it is essential to restore energy, rest. These are choose the correct option. Now this first section is finished. Understand the things, take your time and write properly, either in the copy or in the book, if you have the book. Okay. Now, you can pause the video in middle and you can write. Now, I'm going to rub it. And now we will move to the next section of the exercise. Answer the following in one word. Answer the following in one word. Question number B or section B of the same exercise is answer the following in one word. Please take your notebook and write. Answer the following in one word. Answer the following in one word. Answer the following in one word. First question is the nutrient that helps in making muscles muscles making muscles then nutrients that help in making muscles, blood and skin. What is the name of that nutrient that help in making muscles, blood and skin? The nutrients that help in making muscles, blood and skin. What is the answer for this? Protein. Proteins are the nutrients that help in making the muscles, blood and skin. Question number 2. It helps the body to eliminate. It helps the body. It helps the body to eliminate undigested food. It helps the body to eliminate undigested food. And the answer is Rakesh. What is the answer for this question? Rakesh. Water also helps to digest the food, and it also helps to remove the waste, but in the form of liquid, not the undigested food. Undigested food is removed by the help of Rakesh. And the next question is now question number 3. Diseases caused by diseases caused by the lack of diseases caused by the diseases caused by the lack of a particular nutrient, lack of a particular nutrient, lack of a particular nutrient, in the diet, lack of particular nutrient in the diet. What is the name of that disease? The diseases which are caused by the lack of nutrient in the body is called the deficiency diseases. What is that? Deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases. Next question number 4 is a water-borne disease during monsoon. A water-borne, a water-borne disease during monsoon. 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 A water disease, a water-borne disease during monsoon. A water-borne disease during monsoon. What is the name of that disease? Do you remember? Very common disease, that is diarrhea. What is that? Diarrhea. The answer for this question is diarrhea. D-I-A double R D-I-A double R double R H-O-E-A, diarrhea. And the last question of this section is question number 5. A disease caused by a disease caused by a disease caused by deficiency of a disease caused by deficiency of a disease caused by deficiency of vitamin D. A disease caused by deficiency of vitamin D. What is the name of disease in which leg is bent like this? Rickets. Do you remember? Yes, it is rickets. What is the name of disease? Rickets. Rickets is the name of disease which is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Rickets. Now, I will read all these question answers. In that time, you pause the video and write the question answer, or this answer the following in one word. Okay, take your time, understand the things and write. The nutrient that helps in making muscles, blood and skin. And the answer for the first question is protein. Question number 2, it helps the body to eliminate undigested food. And the answer is roughage. Question number 3, diseases caused by the lack of a particular nutrient in the diet. Answer is deficiency diseases. Question number 4, a water-borne disease during monsoon, diarrhea. And the last question is a disease caused by deficiency of vitamin D, and the answer is rickets. Now, we will move to the next section of the same exercise. Now I am going to rub it. I hope you have finished writing. Now we will write the exercise C, and that is match the following. If you have the book, you can do it in the book, and if you don't have the book, please do it in the copy along with me. Please do it in the copy along with me. Question number C, match the following. Match the following. Match the following. First question is sugar. Second one, iron. Third one, bathing. Fourth one, protozoa. And the last one is malaria. Now, in segment B, A is mosquito. B. Pathogen. Pathogen. C. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. D. Hygiene. Hygiene. And E. Mineral. E. Mineral. Now we have to match in both. Sugar. What is sugar? Sugar is carbohydrate. So we will match first to C. We will match first to C. Now iron. Iron is mineral. Iron is mineral. Bathing. Bathing helps in maintaining the hygiene. Bathing helps in maintaining the hygiene. So what will be C will be matched to D. And protozoa. Protozoa is pathogen. What is meaning of pathogen? Disease causing agent. Disease causing agent. And the last option, malaria. Malaria is spread by mosquito. So the answer is fifth will be matched to A. Once again I will tell. First will be matched to C. Second will be matched to E. Third will be matched to D. Fourth will be matched to B. And fifth will be matched to A. It's like this. First A. Sorry, not first A. First C. Second question E. And the third question D. Then fourth question B. And the fifth question A. This is the answer part. First will be matched to C, second to E, third to D, fourth to B, and fifth to A. I hope all of you have done it. You can pause the video in middle and you can do it. Now, in your book, in the section D, picture is given. Identify each picture and write the name of the disease. In that, first one is goiter, second one is night blindness, and third one is rickets. Again, I am telling name of disease we have to write. Three pictures are given. First picture shows goiter, second picture shows night blindness, and third picture shows rickets. Okay? Now we will move to the last segment of the exercise. Answer the following. Now I am going to rub it. All of you, those who have the book and those who do not have book, all of you take the copy, notebook and fountain or gel pen and start writing along with me. Question number E. Answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following. First question is, why do we need food? Why do we need food? Why do we need food? And one more part is given in the first question. Name the main nutrient. Name the main nutrient. Name the main nutrient. Name the main nutrient that our body requires. That our body requires. What are the main nutrients that our body requires? We have to write that. And the answer for this question is first part, why do we need food? Why do we need food? Why? Because food helps to give us energy and make us healthy. And second thing, it helps to stay alive. So we will write, why do we need food? Because food is necessary to, because food is necessary necessary to stay alive, to stay alive. Now we have to write the main nutrients that our body requires. Carbohydrates, 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 fat, protein, vitamins, and 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 minerals are the main nutrients, are the main nutrients that our body requires, that our body requires. Now we have completed the first question, and now we will move to the question number 2. Let's see the question. Question number 2. How do minerals help us? How do minerals help us? How do minerals help us? Question number 2 is, how do, please write it, understand the thing and write it. How do minerals help us? How do minerals help us? And the answer for this question is, minerals help in minerals help in strengthening the bones, help in strengthening the bones, then formation of teeth, formation of teeth, then blood, and maintaining a normal heartbeat, maintaining a normal heartbeat, maintaining a normal heartbeat. Once again, I will read this answer. Minerals help in strengthening the bones, formation of teeth, blood, and maintaining a normal heartbeat. Now, question number 3. Why is water very important for all of us? Why is water very important for all of us? Why is water very important. Why is water very important for for all of us? Why is water very important for all of us? What is the reason for this? Because it helps in doing so many works in our body. It helps the body cells to do their work. Because it helps the body cells. It helps the body cells to do their work, because it helps the body cells to do their work. And then so many more functions are given. It helps in the digestion and takes nutrients from the body to different cells of our body. That all comes under that functionally. If body cells will work, digestion process will go on. Okay. And if digestion process will go on, nutrients will be carried to different parts. Next question is question number 4. What is balanced diet? What is balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? What does it contain? What does it contain? What is a balanced diet? What does it contain? Let's write the answer for this question. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is a diet which contains all nutrients, which contains all nutrients in right amount, is called balanced diet. Is called balanced diet. Balanced diet. It contains carbohydrates. It contains carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals, vitamins. And now I am going to rub the first answer. Only heading I will rub vitamins and I am continuing this fourth answer here. Vitamins and minerals along with water and rapid, along with water and rapid, along with water and rapid, along with water and rapid. Once again I will read all the answers. Answer for the first question is Question is, why do we need food? Name the main nutrients that our body requires. First answer is because food is necessary to stay alive. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals are the main nutrients that our body requires. Question number 2. How do minerals help us? Answer number 2 is minerals help in strengthening the bone, formation of teeth, blood, and maintaining a normal heartbeat. Question number 3. Why is water very important for all of us? Because it helps the body cells to do their work. Question number 4. What is a balanced diet? What does it contain? A diet which contains all nutrients in the right amount is called balanced diet. It contains carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals along with water and roughage. Now, 6 more questions are remaining in this section. When we come next day, we will do that. Okay? Take your time, understand the things and write. Thank you, class.